Hello guys, this is a birthday vlog. Today is my birthday. Woohoo!
Yay!
So we are going on a little birthday date today. We got all ready and we have some plans what we want to do today. It was decided by papers.
Like a roulette.
Like a roulette yesterday. Tony did for me like this, so we can decide together what we're gonna do today.
Yeah, just one. How we start? Okay. Now you can see that one.
I can see that one.
This is what we're gonna start right there with. Thumb.
Activity that we're gonna do.
Okay.
Okay.
And the same date. Okay. This is something we're gonna eat for dinner.
Oh,
stay.
So that's plans for today. We are matching today. Yeah, and so let's go eat brunch because I'm starving. So we came to the coffee shop. We already ordered some drinks and something to eat. So we came to the museum and we didn't know we had the parking. So we kind of went around the museum to search for parking, but we didn't see anything. So we returned and then we see like a parking sign. So we're like, oh well, we're gonna park and we're gonna go. It's cool. So guys, the museum is actually really big. It has like 7 floors. So like you finish one floor, you go around, you check everything, then you go to the second one. So you can't really film inside. There's like signs that you can film. We still try to film in some places that I hope no one saw us out for the video. Yeah, that's weird why you can film. It's a museum and stuff, but yeah. So this place actually have a coffee shop on the first floor. So I'm thinking that it's a little bit early to eat dinner now. So maybe we can grab another coffee and wait a little bit there until dinner time to go eat. Yeah. Oh, and guys, I didn't tell you, but Tony as a present gave me those cute earrings with the necklace. So cute. I love them. Yeah. some good steak. Yeah.
Some steak. Yeah.
Tony called to make sure we have a table for 6 o'clock. Kind of like a reservation, so yeah. Now we're stuck in the traffic, so I hope we're gonna be there at 6. I mean, we have 40 minutes.
Yeah, 40. Let's see.
We are here. I don't know if you can hear us, but we ordered a steak and then drink. I ordered some juice. We are home.
Yay!
We came home to eat the cake with Tony's family together. We're waiting for his dad to come home and so we can
Open the cake.
blow the candle, eat the cake. So yeah. I'm pretty sure people are like, what? Where are you living now? Ooh, I am living right now with Tony's family.
We're in Mongolia.
Yeah.
For those who don't know.
For those who, I mean, no one knew. We didn't tell to anyone. Yeah, we are no longer living in Korea for now. And we decided to finish this chapter in our life and start a new one. We're gonna, in our plans is to move to Canada actually. Yeah, and I'll go there soon because I applied to a college to finally have like a major. So yeah, that's our plan. That's what was happening in our life recently. Yeah. So, do you have anything to say? Even got me a little present that I wasn't expecting at all, and that was just so cute. And then we hugged and they sang happy birthday and then I blew the candle. Anyways, that was super cute. We're gonna go grab some snack at like a convenience store and just have fun. So yeah. And then we bought like a lot. We bought 3 kinds of lace and then this something, and then we even got a hoshur. It's a traditional Mongolian kind of like crepe pancake with meat inside a little bit, like I don't know, I really like it. It's really good. So yeah, that's a lot of snacks. So we came literally in the middle of nowhere. This is what we love to do. There's a mountain here. Now the lighting is pretty bad because we're in the car. Yeah, but we're gonna have our chill good time talking, eating our snacks. This is what we love to do. Just talk and eat. 2 activities combined, guys. Yeah. guess that was it. That was my birthday.
And it's 12 now, so
Oh yeah, it's 12/9.
no
so
more
it's
special
not like-
Sasha day. Oh no, gotta wait one more year. So, every day special.
Yeah, so that was really good. So yeah, gonna enjoy our little nighttime now.